and it has come under some serious allegations from the PMLN, particularly from Mr. Shehbaz Sharif. Now, firstly, Mr. David, I'd like to know that he has actually challenged, he has announced that he is going to take up legal action against you and against Daily Mail for this publication. What's your response on that for the first?
Well, you know, a year ago, just over a year ago, I published a big article about his brother, Nawaz Sharif. It was called Penthouse Pirates, and it described how he had built up a property empire in London worth £32 million. And back then he said he was going to take us to court and sue us for publishing this article. Well, as you, of course, remember, he did indeed appear in court, but it wasn't suing us. He was being prosecuted in Pakistan, and he was sent to prison. So, you know, let's see what happens. There's many stages yet in the Pakistani legal process concerning Shehbaz Sharif and his family. It's fair to point out, I think, that there are some members of his family who are alleged to have been involved with this money laundering on a very large scale, who have declined to return to Pakistan to answer the questions of the investigators. They are seeking refuge in London. I dare say the Pakistani process will be speeded up if Mr. Shehbaz Sharif would ask his sons and his son-in-law to go back to Pakistan and answer these questions, and then we can perhaps clear the whole matter up. But as far as the legal action threat goes, well, I stand by my story. It is supported by documentation, and I've interviewed a number of witnesses, both in the UK and in Pakistan. And if he decides that he has a case, we will meet him.